Hola, it's Gabby here for Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card using this stamp from Love from CYNTHIA. It's a crafty gear, and I'm going to color her with the COPIC markers. I don't want to show all the coloring, just a little bit of the hair and a little bit of the face. I will add on the description what colors I use for this particular coloring. After I finish coloring her, I'm going to cut a line all the way in. Let me see how I explain this. I'm going to cut all the top part of this panel, and I'm going to leave just the table and the little gear because I want to add background that maybe will look like a wallpaper or something like that. After I finish cutting hair, you will see that I'm going to cut with the same panel that I will cut her. I'm going to cut a panel with squares in pink and white. I also remember to cut the white inside of the arms, that way the back panel will peek through the arms. Right now I'm using my memento marker to color all the borders of the stamp, that way it look like I cut it just fine or just right. In here I completing the lines that complete the table of the doll, because I already cut the shade that I want, and it was the dividing of the table was not long enough, and I just coloring that line with markers. You see here I'm cutting this paper, this butter paper, and it's going to be the background of the doll. I also going to cut two more panels. One is like with squares and stuff. I don't know how you call this really, but it's very pretty, and I'm going to cut one a little bit bigger than this one, in pink, dark pink, almost the color of the t-shirt of the little girl. And as you see here, I'm just adding a little bit shadow with the distress ink, and I'm going to cut the second panel. Is the big one, the one that I say that have swirls and stuff. That one I'm going to cut it in light pink, as you see here, and I'm going to cut a big square that is going to cover the whole card base, and also in the same pink as the small square. This is going to complete all the panels of the doll. I'm going to stamp my sentiment, and after that I'm going to add details in the chin and in the cheeks with my white gel pen. Also I'm going to add nubble drops in different colors, and you will see in the pictures that after the video finished, because I didn't know I wasn't filming, I'm going to add glitter in the dark pink panels, and I'm also going to add in some of the art supply items on the table a little bit of glossy accent and glitter. Well, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you liked them. Until next time, goodbye.